Hello! Welcome to the Tiny Cakes channel. Today I have a lot of fresh ideas for decorating miniature jelly for you. Let's cook. Let's take a small cup and put the leaves of blue tea there. We added some water. Waited a little and look what we got! Blue water. Moving on. I'm pouring some sugar in there. And some jelly powder. Mixing everything together. And all done. Now let's put our little saucepan on fire and carefully pour blue tea into it. A little water. And sprinkle it with some sugar and jelly powder. Do not forget to mix everything well. The saucepan will be hot, so let's take it with our little mitt. Now, everything is ready, and you can pour it out. Look what a beautiful and delicious jelly we got! Now let's put our doll in there so that she flows in jelly bath. And carefully pour it on top. Wow, how beautiful it turned out! Would you like to take a jelly bath? Write in the comments. Then we will leave our jelly for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, take a small glass and pour some jelly into it. Then add fresh milk. And let's decorate our cocktail with mint. Oh, how great it looks! Delicious and so cute! And this is right for our dolly. And of course, what a bath without a duck! Just look at how beautiful it turned out! Such a great color! I can't resist at all, and I want to try this jelly. I'm sorry. Oh, it's so good! It's so delicious! So hard to break away from this yummy treat. So, how did our cocktail turn out? Let's take a small bite and… yep, it's just incredible. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Great! Fresh milk. Set flour in a bowl. And some cacao powder on top. Now you need to mix it thoroughly. Let's do this. I break one egg there and start kneading the dough. Followed by oil and by milk. It's important to mix the dough so that there are no lumps left. Just perfect. Let's put it on a baking dish. I send it to bake into the oven for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I need Oreos. Can't find them anywhere. Where are my cookies?
Where are the Oreos?
Let's see.
Aha!
Oh, here they are. The kitten stole them. Oh, give it back. Look how greedy you are. Here's your cat food. Help yourself. And give me the cookies. Good cat, thank you. Now we need to pour the cookies into the bag. Great, they fit. We need to turn them into crumbs with a rolling pin. A little effort and we're done. I pour the cookies into a plate and light the fire on the stove. I put the pan on the fire and put the milk chocolate inside. It needs to be melted. Stir it and don't let it burn. And at this time, our biscuit gradually rises and is now ready. It's time to get it out of the oven and cut it. First, I cut out the top and divide it into 3 identical cakes like this. A little cream on the stand and put the first cake. Cover with cream and the second layer. And the very top one. Now the whole cake needs to be covered with a thick layer of cream, both on the sides and on top. After that, I carefully level the cream so that the cake becomes smooth and beautiful. At the base of the cake, I put a little cookie crumbs which perfectly cling to the cream. And now I cover the top with liquid chocolate. Oh, it leaves behind very beautiful smudges. I'll add a couple of cream flowers to the top, and between them I'll put pieces of Oreo, like this. They fit perfectly. Our cake is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. I can't wait to try it. And here's a piece. How delicious it is. Such an airy sponge cake and delicate cream. Finally, I'll be able to have a snack with my favorite chicken balls. Oh no!
Oh my god, my chicken ball! I have to do it again!
We'll have to make new ones. But first, I'll get rid of this. Straight to the wastebasket. Let's look in my refrigerator. And here's fresh chicken. I'll take off the film. And spread the meat on the board. Now, we need to cut it into thin slices, like this. Perfect. Now I'm working with my knife and making minced meat out of it. Let's put it into a bowl. I'm going to salt it. I'll add dry garlic and basil. Now I'll mix everything very, very carefully. And now, time for an egg.
Are you kidding me? Geta!
I'll break an egg right into the bowl. And now we need to beat it well. I'll add some water and beat it up again. I'll scoop up some minced meat and carefully shape it into a ball like this. Great! All the balls are ready. And I'll pour some cornflakes into this bowl over here. And some flour in this one. Now I take a bowl, roll it in flour, dip it into an egg, and then in cornflakes. It is necessary that the whole bowl is covered with them evenly. Ready. It remains to repeat the same with the other balls. A whole plate. I light a fire on the stove. And let's start cooking. We need to pour more oil into it. When the oil has warmed up, I begin to put the balls in there. And they're frying almost immediately. It remains to wait until a golden crust forms on them. Well, it seems ready. Now we can get them out and put them on a plate. There we go. Here's a whole plate of delicious chicken balls. Well, actually I put them in a bucket. And of course we're without French fries and ketchup. How delicious it turned out. What a perfect combination. Well, it's time to try it. Let's see. How delicious it is. And what about the potatoes? Not that either, but nothing could be tastier than these homemade chicken balls. Thank you, friends. Please like this video. I tried very hard. Subscribe to the channel and write in the comments what your favorite food is, and we will cook it together. There are so many different goodies on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!